Good afternoon. My name is Eddie C, and I am the author of the book Trend is Rent. You can see a copy of it on your screen. I have written this book since last year and have been applying its principles, making this video. Whatever you hear of me sharing in this video, a lot of the application comes from this book. Okay, my commercial is over. So let me get on with today's stock in focus. All right. Uh, the date today is 9th of December 2022. It's a Friday, end of the week, and the time is 1:19 p.m. Welcome to Purchase Rationale. Purchase Rationale provides 15 reasons when considering a particular stock. A disclaimer first, whatever is shared here is purely for information and education. Should you make a decision to buy anything after this presentation, please first consult your financial planner or a licensed broker. It seems that this week and last week, the telecommunication sector seems to be in focus. So the stock in question today is time.com. Stock code is 5031. All right. The criteria for selecting time.com 5031 as the best stock pick today is based on price gain, trend confirmation, momentum above the Ichimoku cloud, and also the MA200 line. It has a relative volume greater than one and is a profitable net cash company. Okay, let's get to the uh, first, the fundamental. As usual, first thing we calculate the intrinsic value of time.com. Okay, the time.com intrinsic value is calculated by using the enterprise value on an annual basis divided by the total common shares outstanding. In this case, the enterprise value is 859 billion divided by the total common shares outstanding of 1.83 billion. And the intrinsic value of time.com now is 4 ringgit and 69 cent. Okay. And currently, time.com is selling at the close of today's midday at 4 ringgit and 85. So there is a small premium you pay. I will consider this as intrinsic value is marked to the market price with a small premium. And the differential premium in terms of sin is 469 minus 4.85. Okay, you pay a premium of about 15.6 cent or 16 cent. All right, and in terms of percentage, 15.6 cent divided by 4 ringgit and 85, uh, about 3% 3% premium differential. So question is, can the operating margin pay for this 3% differential in premium? For that, we have to look at the operating earning yield. Okay, so it looks like the operating margin of very high 36.32% is more than able to cover the premium paid at 4 ringgit and 85 cent with an excess of operating earning yield of 4.68%. So no problem. Small premium, and the operating margin is more than able to cover the premium. It has a ROIC of 12%. The reason I use ROIC is so that it is purely quantitative, meaning whatever as investor capital is considered as operational. So operational 12% against a PE of ratio quite high, 20%. So it's more than 55, it covers more than 55%. Okay, and the price earning ratio for is 22%. Small ascension in the future, but I'm more interested in actually the enterprise value to EBITDA ratio, which is actually the acquirer's multiple of 11.7%. Uh, this one is slightly above 10, but I guess this is a stalwart company, Time.com. 11.7% is pegged or relative to the industry, the sectorial industry PE enterprise value to EBITDA is relatively equal to the rest of the industry. All right. Uh, Dividend yield of 2.8%. And I'm surprised that actually in the trailing 12 months, it has a dividend payout ratio of 123%. All right. Meaning for every dollar earned net profit, Time.com is paying out $1.23. Very generous paymaster to its shareholders in terms of dividend payout. It is free. It has a net free cash flow of 330 million for the trailing 12-month basis, uh, and the free cash flow margin covers all its operational expenses at least by 26.6%. Net debt of 548 million, meaning this is actually a net cash company, filthy rich, but it has also a bad debt or doubtful account of 22.26 million. A healthy Poitrovsky F score of 7. Uh, Normally, 7 is what I call an excellent performing company in terms of uh, profitability delivery performance. All right. Z score 6.85. So strong, steady company. Uh, Nothing about trying to get bankrupt in the next 2 years. All right. And M score is not reported, so I can't make any comment. I will consider Timecom investment grade stock. It's a stalwart company. I've been delivering year after year. And of course, it's been a stalwart company. It's also very pricey, but then it is also delivering profitability all along despite the price. So, what's the sentiment of the market for Time.com? Let's take a look at the technical charts. All right. For a start, I noticed that way back in May of this year, there is actually a golden cross and it has been ascending upwards above the cloud. Okay, so there is definitely a good trend here. It has a higher low, 1, 2, 3, 4. So a trend is definitely in formation, and the trend has gone past wave 3, and now actually Time.com is in the last leg of wave 5. Wave 5. Momentum wise, it has been delivering the price action of the candlestick has been above the cloud. So momentum wise, I think it is heading towards the end of wave 5 at apex here, apex of wave 5 here in the Elio wave. All right. Uh, and it is now supported at the MA 155 line. So the supported at one MA 155, and most recently the higher low is also above. It's not only above, but it's above the MA 155 line. Looks like it is running up to the apex of Elio wave 5. Okay, so I will consider this as a strategy of a pullback rebound. All right, three green candlesticks, and also the uh, volume wise, although today relative volume is less than one, but otherwise it is also seen that the volume has been building up here, not a bias intact situation yet, but encouraging volume. All right, and good price action. Okay, so on a reward to risk ratio, if you buy at 4 ringgit and 85 cent at the closing price uh, in the midday trading, uh, with a target price of 5 ringgit and 42 cent, 44 cent, 42 cent, with a stop loss of 4 ringgit and 63 cent, it will yield a reward to risk ratio of 2.5 times. A good return in all case. All right. So looks like this time.com is going to be a good option if you consider, although pricey, but looks like it should be able to achieve the target price of 5 ringgit and 40 cent. All right. So if you think this trading idea is informational and educational, uh, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening and also for your precious time. Have a good day and happy trading and a good weekend. Bye bye. Okay. Remember to take a look at my book.